Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Zillow real estate and rental app review to save it worth using. The Zillow app is a free tool designed to help users search for homes, apartments, and rental properties across the US. It offers a detailed listing with photos, pricings, and neighborhood information. Users can filter search by price, location, and amenities, and save favorite listing. The app also provides a estimate home value and also estimate and connect users with a local real estate agent. Available on both iOS and Android platform, it's popular choice for both serious buyers and a casual browsers. The Zillow app is a comprehensive platform and a real estate search, offering a wealth of information and user-friendly features. However, some users have reported issues with the listening accuracy and communication with a properties managers. So if you are in a market for a properties or just exploring option, Zillow is a valuable resource, but it's advisable to cross a reference listening and be proactive in communication. And that's it.